Hi and welcome. This is Golden Hour and my name is Camilla. We're here at the cabin this morning. We have a rooster out there and a few chickens running around, so maybe you'll hear them throughout the class. And today we're going to have a nice slow flow. We're either seated or lying down, so it's perfect for a day where you feel like you want to do something but you don't want to do too much. So it's perfect just to feel you've moved a bit, and it's a very cozy start to the day. So we'll come to sit to begin, crossing your legs middle of the shins. You can shut down the eyes. Maybe leaning the body weight slightly back so we can feel that we're stacked over our hips. Completely relax your face. Take a few deep breaths. Begin to blink open the eyes, and from here we can start to interlace our fingers behind our back and open through the chest nice and gently. Make a few movements side to side. And we'll start to bend our elbows, place them on the right waist, and then turning our head over to the right. So nice gentle neck stretch. Feeling all that length down the side of the left neck. And looking down at your right knee, slightly different angle for the neck. And we'll switch sides. We'll change the grip, so other finger on top behind us, open through the chest. And then placing those hands to the left side this time, turn your head over to the left. Breathing down the side of your neck. And look down at, this time, your left knee. Beautiful. We'll start walking our hands out in front of us. Let your head round. So you should be feeling maybe something in the outer hips. And any rocking here, side to side, is very welcome. You can walk yourself back up, and let's change the cross of the legs so other foot is in front. Sit up tall, and then from here walk forward. Full awareness on your Ujjayi breath in and out through the nose. We'll do one more slow breath together. Inhale. Exhale. Climb back up on the inhale, and exhale. Start moving into our Sufi circles. So we make these slow. You can bring in the whole body if you would like, or just moving the torso around the hips. But you can also bring in the shoulders, the arms, the head, the neck, maybe shutting the eyes. Let's switch direction. And eventually we come to land, stillness, seated. You can walk our hands out wide, and then inhale, right hand reaches tall. So we can press both sit bones down, find even more length, and very gently tipping over to the left. We'll sweep ourselves all the way up and around to the other side. And let's do that a few more times. Sweep side to side. Let your breath guide the movement. And your drishti following your hand up in the air. And finally, staying over on the left side. And we'll place both hands down in front of us, switching over to hands and knees, all fours, and push yourself back into child's pose. We'll turn this into a twist. Right hand under your left arm. So in thread the needle arms, side of your head is on the mat. Reach forward with your left hand. So you can sink the hips back a little bit. And back through center, switching sides, left hand under right arm. And then coming up, all fours, hands and knees. Let's move a bit side to side through the hips. And a few rounds of cat-cow. Drop your belly down, look up at the sky. Exhale, round chin to chest. Inhale, forward and up. And exhale, round. One more. Very nice. Again, this time knees together, so passive child's pose, forehead on the mat, sinking down. Start to peel yourself up, shift your legs to one side, and we'll come all the way to lie down on the back. When you get there, knees into your chest. We'll start off with a few circles for the hips, so drawing your knees out and around. And then let's switch direction. You can place the feet nice and wide and continuing this movement side to side, windscreen wipers. And then eventually we'll come over into a twist. So dropping your knees over to the left and place your left foot on top of your right knee for a bit of a deeper stretch if you would like. We can cactus the right arm and turn our head over to the right. Back to center. We'll switch sides, so knee over to the right, maybe right foot on top of left knee, and then turning your body over to the left. Back to center, walking your feet in, and we'll flex the right foot, place it on the left upper or lower thigh. So we have our figure four and starting to press out the right knee. So you can stay here if you'd like more, reaching behind the calf or the thigh, and then drawing the knee in. When you're already switching sides, and both knees to center, hips all the way over to the right, coming once more into a twist, turning your head back towards the right side of your room, your space. Come back to center. Hips to the left this time, knees to the right. Turn your body. Back to the center, happy baby. Bend your knees, catch your feet or your big toes and draw your knees down. And add a bit of movement here, side to side. See what it's like to extend and bend one leg at a time. And eventually we'll come to land again in stillness. And let's see if we can take the deepest breath that we've taken all day. Very nice. Bringing your feet together, knees wide apart, Supta Baddha Konasana. If you'd like, hold opposite elbows overhead. Let your whole body be heavy, going down, down through the mat, down through the floor. With every breath, you're releasing further down. And start to extend your legs long. I'm going to shuffle back so we have a bit more space into Shavasana, final resting pose. Slowly moving hands, legs. And send your arms overhead. Give yourself a big stretch. And all the way up to a seated position as we started the class. Hands on your knees, sit up nice and tall. Shut the eyes for a moment, feel your breath. And blinking open the eyes, bring your hands to heart center. We'll finish with one Om, deep inhale. And bowing down to yourself. Namaste. Thanks for joining me this morning here on the mat for this cozy flow. I hope you feel a little more grounded, a little more calm for the day ahead. And if you have any requests for upcoming class, please let me know in the comments below. All right.